Restorations. We specialize in historic slate, tile, and copper roofing. Today we are in Evanston, Illinois. It's April 9th, 2020. Major hailstorm here several days ago. I've looked at several roofs prior to this one, and they're all telling the same story. Just big hail. Probably pushing tennis ball size, maybe not quite that big, but plenty big. This is a historic slate roof here. You can see a little bit there behind me. And what I'm finding up here is just tons of broken slates. Every bit of copper. A lot of areas look like someone took a baseball bat to it. It's destroyed. This entire roof needs to be replaced. We are local here in Evanston, Illinois. Been operating in this area since 2016. Been operating in the Chicagoland area since 1999. We are the experts in this. We are the needle in the haystack. Don't fall prey to these people knocking on your doors. They're just salesmen. They don't know what they're doing. So at this point, what we're going to do here is contact the insurance. They're going to open a claim. They'll send out an inspector. I'll meet the inspector. I'll show them everything that's wrong up here on this roof. This is a highly detailed roof. There's lots going on. It takes time to do all this right. So we'll educate them on that. Let them know what it's going to take care of this roof, get it replaced for their customers and mine. If you think you have some damage on your slate, tile, or copper roof here in Evanston, feel free to give me a call. 815-708-1620. That's Dan. 815-708-1620. Check us out on the web, www.tileandslateroof.com. That and is spelled out. Glad to come out and take a look. Free consultation and tell you about your options. We'll see you